yashobora ngo Presidenti yatangire imyanya y'amakorero okwetorora ihanga ahi eminyeto etungire emirimo. Minister Mugasa yashobora ngo no mugomboro ya Kabare rukushango mu district ya Hoima nibeja kutandikaho Kabarega Industrial Hub erukweja kwere eminyeto nyamwinji yo kurwombi chweke bitari bimwe na bimwe ebyihanga.
President Museveni has industrialized the country. They have opened many industrial hubs in this country where we are employing our children. Even when we went to Kira Motors, we found 402 youths who were employed there. Even here in Kabale, we are going to have an Kabalega industrial hub. Therefore, let us be patient.
Minister yashaba eminyeto okora namani bakakosa kajisha akukubaho okwemyanyeje. Minister wa state ahabwe bakozi b'emirimo yayihanangiriza abanyuganda okosa kajisha akukubaho kw'ekishayi kya Kabarega International Airport ahabwe by'obushubuzi entambura nungi arikushobora ngu ekiresire emigishanya mwingi omu by'obushubuzi na nokutungura omutindo gw'ebyenguuto.
President Museveni is trying to industrialize this country so that we can absorb all the younger people who are not employed. That is why he has insisted that electricity has to be generated so that we can industrialize the country. If you check, it is only President Museveni who is skilling the young people.
Minister ebi abigambiro mwabazio obwabere nagambo n'abakuru b'entebe zo kubanza habyaro okurwa mu Hoima City na n'abakuru b'ebyo kwerinda omuri Hoima City obarikwetebekanisiza kutangirira President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni arikwija kusherura karuru ombicweka ebya Bunyoro. Arabwire abashuma b'amataka abarikosa izina lya President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni omepango yabo eyo kuyiba amataka.
So they want to use those big names to grab people's land. You people who are affected should always quickly run to the office of the RDC, run to the RCC, run quickly to police, report those cases of land grabbing.
Julius Hakizo mugambirizi wa polisi y'ebicweke bya Albertine Region ashabira abagizi babesimbireho obutaliana amasenene n'obukwakuba okurwana.
This time we are trying to tell people it's not good to fight for the person they are campaigning for. So we are moving to and talking to all camps so that we don't have so many cases, political related offenses.
Gasha kwa Gad Asaba ahabwa Tayari West.